Today I want to talk about perception. Elijah can be a handful. His foods have to be blended or pureed, and then he has to be orally fed. At 5 years old, he's still in infant diapers, and if his GI system flares up, at any moment he may need a bath and a wardrobe change. One of the worst feelings is perceiving that someone doesn't want to be bothered with Elijah. Even if they say otherwise, to perceive that he's been X'd off the agenda is both disheartening and frustrating. Here's the deal. Elijah can be a handful. He's not your typical 5-year-old little boy. But Elijah did not choose this life for himself. You, on the other hand, can choose how you perceive Elijah and all that comes with him.